Hello everyone. Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders here. This time the video lesson is going to be about spreadsheets. I haven't done one like this in a while. Usually we're just talking about plays and volume. But here's something that you don't always talk about. We don't always talk about the data behind the plays and whatnot, how to find it, how to track it, and whatnot. So here's this. This is a fresh one right now. I made it last week. I haven't filled it out yet. I've been meaning to make this video lesson. I've just been busy slash lazy. So here we are. With a fresh one like this, you start off simple. Especially if you're new, start off simple. I started off not knowing what I was doing, really confused, seeing other people's spreadsheets, wondering what the hell are they doing. And after a couple years, I probably still am doing such a low level analysis of data, but nonetheless, it is working for me. And ticker must view every single one. Here we go. So making script play happen. Then we got this new section. What we'd be looking for. Let me see if we get an example here. AGRI might be one. So you have it while it's up over VWAP here, and then you get the crack. And I'm looking to see how the angle for a short seller, how it would be with a VWAP projection. Midday, late day, after it cracks, it's had its spike and whatnot. How does it react to VWAP? And if it does fail, how much does it fade? Is it a quick move? What's the volume behind it? So that's really what we're looking for. I'm tracking how much it's up on the day, how much does it fade off of the highs, and then how much is the fade off of VWAP here, the volume that it takes to get back to VWAP. So I would be looking, in this case, I would analyze pretty much the volume here from 3 to 320, what it is, and then I would analyze. I think I also have in the morning as well. I want to see how useful the morning volume could be to gauge. We could see maybe we could recognize it as overhead resistance, or if it's majority buying or selling, you might find some angle within it. I don't know. That's why we're here to track it. We're here to find out what's going to be useful. And as you fill this out, and keep tracking the plays, you will start noticing patterns. You might add another bracket that you might find useful. Always put best entry and best risk, how long it lasts, what time of day the play starts. Just simple things. Don't overcomplicate it. Because if you do, you're going to have a lot of requirements and you're not going to want to go through this every single day, especially if you have a bunch of tickers you're going to have to go through. It makes it easier to analyze later on. And just don't overcomplicate things. Just keep things simple. That's how we approach trading. So that's how we're going to approach selection. So that's kind of a quick little rundown of how I make my spreadsheets. And after a while, and I still don't know what exactly is a good target to have for how many tickers to have. I usually stop somewhere between 70 and 100 if I feel like I'm getting a good gauge of what it is, what the pattern does. At that point, I might just track it, see what the data really says. And if I feel like I want to continue, I'll continue it. If I feel like it was enough, and if I don't track the pattern, I just use the data that I have. If it works and I could trade with that data, I'll just not go back to it until I see the pattern is adapting to something. I might have to track it again. But yeah, so that's what I would say. Start it simple. And for longs, here, let me get. What are we doing? What are we doing? Let me show you longs. That was for shorts right there. Let me show you a different pattern. All right, as you can see here, still have the simple things, nothing crazy. This one here I even stopped doing this everything else, but this is one ones, yes, averaging and whatnot. Excuse me, I didn't know that it paused. I don't know where I left off at, but here's the full one. You end up figuring out the data, just simple functions, average, sum, and whatnot, mean. And this one, as you can see, was a bit longer. I wouldn't do all of this. You could definitely shrink it down. But yeah, so that's just a quick rundown. This is the long side, how I'm approaching it. I'm looking at what it's doing pre-market beforehand compared to a short where it's already spiked. I'm going to see how much was that spike, how much did it fade. Yeah, I'm getting all over the place here. But yeah, so let me just wrap this up. Keep it simple. So pattern. So judge what short pattern and not short in here. But yeah, I'll make more like this in the future. So have a good one, everyone. Hope this was useful. Give this a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. We'll catch you later.